Okay guys, so today we're talking about Web3. This is just going to be like my first ever video on YouTube. And here we'll be talking about Web3. Web3 in general. What is Web3 for the newbies? If you are a newbie, please watch this video. Please watch this video. So we'll be talking about Web3. What is Web3 and different meaning of blockchain, Ethereum, and all of that. So now, what is Web3? I would explain it to you in a layman word so that even if you're a beginner and you're watching this video, you will understand now what is Web3. In the 1990s, we had the Web 1. In the 1990s, there was no phone, right? There was no phone. We had the Web 1. That was when newspaper, anywhere you go to, you usually see newspaper. Do you understand? It was the read-only era. Read-only era in the sense that we can just read what is happening. We do not have access to it, right? We just read. That is it. That is Web 1. Now we have Web 2. Web 2 is read and write era. Do you understand? Read and write era. That's when Google comes in, Facebook comes in, Instagram comes in. That is these are Web 2 apps. Let me put it that way. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube are Web 2 apps. Now, Web 2 is what? The read and write era. Now we are in the Web 3 era. Web 3 means you have access to your own, you can read, and you also have access to your profile. You have your own digital profile. You have access to your own assets. Do you understand? You have access to your own assets, meaning you can also make money without a man or a third party involved in the Web3 space. Now let me explain to you. If I want to send money now, I need to save it in the bank. I need to go to the bank to maybe save my money. And if I want to run my money, I need to use ATM card to do what? Go to the ATM machine and do what? Bring out some money, which is just like a third party. The bank is the third party between me and my money. Now, in the Web3 era or in the Web3 space, in Web3, let me put it, in Web3, I want to buy an asset. Maybe I want to buy Bitcoin. I do not need to go to the bank to buy Bitcoin. No. I do not need to go to the bank to keep my Bitcoin. No. I will buy my Bitcoin, put it on my phone, or save it in my wallet. Let me put it that way. Save it in my wallet, and anytime I need it, any day, anytime, I have access to it. I have access to it, meaning there's no third party between me and my money. There's no third party between I and my assets. You get that? So that is what Web3 is. So Web3 is all about decentralization. Do you understand? In Web3 apps, you can make money without any third party involved. Do you understand? You can post content, read content, do some things, and make money in it. Not like Web2 apps like Facebook. Do you understand that? You make money from your own content. You have access to your own digital assets, and also you can also keep your assets without any third party involved. Right? Now, let me explain to you what Web3 is. Now, what is Web3? Web3 is the next evolution of the internet in the sense that it is a decentralized version. It is a decentralized version of the web that people can access their own assets, their own profile, and everything. Then here I wrote a decentralized version of the web that puts ownership, privacy, and control back to the users, back to we are the users. Meaning I have access to my money, I have access to everything that I want to do, right? Now, the key concept of Web3 is blockchain. The whole Web3 we are hearing was built on blockchain. It was built on blockchain. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain is just like a ledger. The way we have graph, ledger in the Web 2 world, we have in the Web3 era, which is our blockchain, right? So blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions and also keep records of everything securely, and it powers everything in the Web3 space. That is what blockchain is. So blockchain records transaction that everybody can access, like we can all access it. Do you understand? So that's what blockchain is. Then two, we have decentralization. Decentralization means no single company has access to your assets. No single company controls the system. No single company have access to anything that concerns you. No third party, nothing. You are the one that owns everything that belongs to you. That is what the Web3, like the Web3 era, or the Web3 world is all about. Do you understand that? So that's what decentralization means. So when I say Web3 is decentralized, the future is decentralized. I do say this thing that I just say this thing that the future is decentralized. Web3 is about decentralization and the future is decentralized. When I say decentralized, I don't want you to look confused. So that means single company involved in anything that belongs to you. No single company controls the system. We are the one that's controlling it by ourselves. I don't know if you get that. Now we have wallets. We all have wallets. If you're in the Web2 space, you need to have a wallet. You can either go to Play Store, download MetaMask, download wallet, download software, download Phantom wallet. There are 1001 wallets you can download, because you can only receive. Okay, so here I read your gateway to Web3. Your wallet is your gateway to Web3, meaning if you want to like receive or store your assets, you want to store your digital asset, you can only store it, or you can only keep it in a wallet. That is why your wallet is needed. So if you don't have a wallet, go and download one. Do you understand? In case if you want to like get paid, you want to like buy an asset or something, you are going to keep them in your wallet. You cannot go and keep them in the bank, and nobody can keep your asset for you. Do you understand that? Then we also have smart contracts. Smart contract in the sense that self-executing code that runs on blockchain. So they are like power apps. Do you understand? We call them D apps. Do you understand? Because of they run by themselves. It's self-executing. It's a self-executing app. Do you get that? Then we have D apps. D apps means decentralized application. D apps means decentralized application. I don't know if you get it. Now, there are apps that are built on blockchain. There are apps that are built on blockchain. Example, we have finance, we have Uniswap, and all of that. Do you get that? So, why is Web important? Why is Web3 important? One, for user empowerment, meaning you own your content, you own your data, you own your online identity. That is one major reason why Web3 is so important. Then two, creator economy. Creator economy in the sense that anyone can earn through NFT, you can earn through DeFi, you can earn through tokens, you can earn through AI and Web3 projects, right? You can earn through DAOs. There are so many ways you can earn in the Web3 space. Do you understand that? So the space is for everyone. It can contain everybody. Just get the skill. Do you understand that? Then three, privacy and security. Privacy and security in the sense that you don't need to give up your data to use service. You don't need to like give out your own profile, like your own name, your this, your that, before you can use the service and all of that. No, we do not do that in the Web3 space, right? And number four, we have trustless systems. Trustless systems in the sense that smart contracts remove the need to trust third parties, meaning you don't need any third parties. Third parties not involved. You have access to everything. That is it. These are four main reasons why Web3 is important to everybody. Do you understand that? Now, let me give you some real life example on why Web3 is important, right? Imagine you are an artist in the Web3 space. Imagine you are an artist in Web2. You post on Instagram, and Instagram own your content, meaning anybody that watches your content, that data that they used to watch their content is going back to Instagram. Now, okay, because you've not gotten to that stage where you can monetize your Instagram page. Now, imagine that it is not in the Web3 space, meaning you make money unless you go viral. Meaning you cannot make money from that content unless you go viral or you are verified on Instagram, right? But in the Web3 space, you mint your art as an NFT. You mint it as an NFT, you sell it directly to fans. You sell it directly to people worldwide. Do you understand that? And you earn royalties, you earn assets, and every time it's sold and if it's sold, you get paid. That is what Web3 is all about. Do you understand that? So in one sentence, web3 is the internet owned by people, powered by the people, and for the people. Web3 is an internet, or is the internet that is owned by the people, powered by the people, and for the people. Meaning it is powered by blockchain, governed by the code, and what? Fueled by tokens. I don't know if you get that. So Web3, even if you're not going to go out of this video or leave this video with little or no knowledge, have it at the back of your mind that Web3 is what? Is the internet for the people, but it is Web3 is the internet owned by the people, for the people, and of the people. Do you understand that? So thank you. See you in my next video. Thank you.